Everybody's mind. Now we'll go for the another sum. We'll go for second sum. An object is the second sum. It says a body moving vertically upwards. Its velocity changes from 50 meters second to 20 meters second. So it is going, the body is moving upward. Okay children, when you throw something upward at the highest point, velocity becomes actually 0. So here it starts with 50 meter per second and then changes to 20 meter per second. The velocity changing, decreasing. Okay, this will be a case of retardation, negative acceleration. See here. Now initial velocity 50 meter per second. Final velocity 20 meter per second, and time, that is how much time it is happening. It is all this happening is the 3 seconds. Time is taken 3 seconds. So when you find the acceleration, final velocity minus initial velocity by time. Here it is final velocity 20 meter per second. Initial velocity 50 meter per second and time 3 seconds. So 30 meter per second by 3 will give you 10 meter per second square. Now see here we are getting a negative sign. Acceleration but with a negative sign. This is called retardation. This is no more acceleration. It is called retardation. Okay, this is called retardation. So this is retardation, means acceleration means positive acceleration and negative acceleration, that is retardation. Okay, clear? I hope this is clear to everyone. Now one more sum we'll go for. Last one. For difficult ones I am covering. It is a car moving in a straight line with speed 18 km per hour. So speed is how much? 18 km per hour. Okay. Now it is stopped in 5 seconds by applying the brake. Children, stop means final velocity is 0 and time is how much? 5 seconds. Right. Now then the speed of the car, you have to find the speed of the car in meter per second. It is given in kilometer per second. So when you want to find out in meter per second, you have to multiply with 5 by 18. To get it in meter per second. So it is 5 meter per second you got. Okay. So U is equal to 5 meter per second. That the first part of the question or A part of the question. Then the B part or first part, it is as it is mentioned. Second part they are asking the retardation. Retardation again negative acceleration, but the formula for acceleration same, V minus U by T. It is stopped. So final velocity 0. Initial velocity 5 meter per second. And how much the time? During 5 seconds. So it is minus 1 meter per second square. See, this minus 1 tells you that it is a case of retardation. Okay. It's a case of retardation, negative acceleration. Then the third part, this is the second part. Then the third part of the sum. Third part, what it is asked? If the speed of car after 2 seconds of applying the brake. You have to find the speed of car applying after 2 seconds. So initially it was, now you know initial 5 meter per second. Timing T you are going to find out. Timing 2 seconds. After 2 seconds you are going to find out. Speed, how much it acquired. And acceleration it is given to you. You have not given, sorry, you have calculated it as minus 1 meter per second square. So we will go by the same formula children. V minus U by T, A is equal to, from this formula you can find out the formula for V. So you will get V will be equal to U plus A into T. What is your U? U is 5 meter per second. What is your A? A is minus 1. And what is your time? T is 2 seconds. So here we will get 5. All this it will come in meter per second unit. So 5 minus 2, that is 3 meter per second is the answer. Okay. So with that we end today's session. We'll continue in next class, and by the time you go through the exercise question, whatever you doubt, will solve in the next class.